Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring Dropbox for Teams, a powerful tool for managing cloud storage and collaboration within your organization. Whether you're organizing files or coordinating with teammates, Dropbox makes it seamless. Let's dive in and see how it works. Setting up your team account. Start by signing in to Dropbox for Teams or creating an account if you don't have one. Invite your team members via their email addresses to get everyone on board. Organizing files and folders. Create shared folders to store team files. Structure your folders logically, such as by projects, departments, or deadlines, to make navigation easier for everyone. Collaborating on files. Use the file sharing feature to collaborate effectively. Assign specific permissions like view only or editing rights, ensuring everyone has the right level of access. Dropbox also keeps track of version history, so you can revert changes if needed. Utilizing Dropbox Paper. Enhance teamwork with Dropbox Paper, a feature for creating and collaborating on documents directly within Dropbox. It's perfect for brainstorming ideas or drafting reports together. Monitoring activity and storage. Use the admin console to monitor team activity, manage permissions, and track storage usage. This ensures your team stays organized and secure. Dropbox for Teams simplifies cloud storage and boosts productivity by centralizing your resources and workflows. Have you tried Dropbox for your team? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you in the next one.